dot plot shows the number of apples picked by members of two different tour groups at an orchard. Which of these statements correctly compares these two sets of data? We're going to compare some dot plots, so let's go ahead and look at both these charts. We've got group 1, tour group 1 and tour group 2 in the number of apples picked. We're looking at how many in each group. So first thing we need to determine is how many pieces of information are in each graph. So if we look at these, we just count the dots. Just count the dots inside of there, and we find that tour group 1 has 20 members and tour group 2 has 30 members. So let's break this down. This is central tendency, so we're looking for trends in data. And central tendency means we generally look toward the middle to start our comparison of data. So it says the median of the data is the same for both data sets. So median is the middle value in a set of data. So let's look and see what we've got. Middle value, going forward, let's count. We got 10 dots in the middle and 15. So we thought the middle value will be 10. So we're going to highlight the 10 and we're going to find the middle. And on the 30 members, we're going to use 15 and highlight the 15 members. It asks, is the median of the data the same for both data sets? Well, no. On tour group 1, the median is 5, and on tour group 2, it is 6. So moving on, looking for the mode. The mode of the data sets is the same for both data sets. Let's see if that's true. Mode means most. It's an easy way to figure that out. Which piece of data appears most in the graph? Let's take a look. We're going to highlight both of them. It looks like the most in the tour group 1 is 5 and the most in tour group 2 is 7. So no, the mode does not work in this case. Moving on to the range. The range of the data sets is the same for both data sets. Range is the difference in the values between the greatest value and the smallest value in a set of data. So let's look at the ranges. We got a range on tour group 1. Our lowest value is 1 and our largest value is 10. And in tour group 2, our lowest value is 1 and our largest value is 10. So we subtract the differences. 10 minus 1 is 9. So yes, the range works. And symmetry. We're looking for things that's symmetrical. D, it says, is this distribution of the data symmetrical for both data sets? So we're looking at symmetry. It's a mirror image, so that it should look exactly the same on both sides. We're looking at that. That obviously is not the case in this one. So which statement correctly compares these two data sets? Our correct answer is C. The range of the data is the same for both data sets.